What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. Another day here from the Wisconsin Dells. Hanging out on the balcony real quick. We're letting Amara take a nap. It's like 12:30, 1 o'clock right now. I'm just kind of been hanging out in the hotel room. And pretty much slept till like 2 or 3. Nah, I'm just kidding. Said you guys basically slept till like 11 o'clock this morning. Sleeping all damn day.
I woke up until like 10.
10? But yeah, we got something cool planned for today. We're gonna go and hop on a boat and tour through the Dells. I guess it's like one of the main attractions up here. We figured we'd check it out. They offer a couple different boat styles that you can get on now. This one that we're doing, nice calm, you know, a little float down the river. Then they offer one of these jet boats, which I thought that would be cool to get on, but they don't allow Amara's age on there because it goes too fast. Plus Tessie's pregnant, so they want to, you know, make her go into labor, nothing like that, flying down the river, hitting all these waves. The upper and lower Dells of the Wisconsin River, from the beautiful rocky islands to the Stand Rock. It's a trademark of the Dells. 2 excursions, an awesome journey through the hidden passages of Witch's Gulch, and a picture-perfect view of the famous dog jump at Stand Rock. But from the pictures, it looks pretty damn cool. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to go, and we'll see you on the boat here in the upper Dells. Let's go. You a sleepy girl? Oh my.
That's the thing impossible, whatever it is.
Let's go. Upper Dells boat dock. Hey, it's scary, just floats down the river. Check out some rocks, go out and walk around. Should be pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Got her coffee from Goose's coffee shop.
Bella Goose. It's a cute name.
Bella Goose, yeah. Should be pretty cool. Ticket?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your whole group?
Yep.
Okay. Come this way.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ben. I'll be your pilot, your captain out here today. If you can just call me Ben, those names are a little too official about me.
Mara doesn't like the scenic beauty. She likes Miss Rachel. Going out to explore. Look at that. That's pretty sick. Oh. The Witch's Gulch, little puppy.
I like your dog.
Ooh, come here. You're going the wrong way. You gotta go this way. It's this way. Come on. That's pretty cool. I got some ice cream down through the Witch's Gulch.
I got so much Oreo.
Got some
in
Oreo,
my ice cream.
Oreo flurries.
From like
Gotta
McDonald's.
load back up on this boat here to the next stop. No, that's pretty cool. It said like 1846 or something. They dug that passage out. Whoa! Let's go. Oh, the strap?
Yeah.
I see.
Faster mode so you can run.
She's going as fast as she can walk. Got little legs.
She can go faster than that. She can run faster.
Made it to the second stop. It's called Stand Rock. And there's a bunch of these big rocks up here standing up. Alright, she can walk on her own, I think. She's good. She's good.
Okay, Maddie.
I did you my shepherd. Oh.
Oh, got a dog jumping across up there.
I did you my shepherd.
Wow.
Okay, guys,
Look at it up there standing.
now to the sidewalk to the right. That will take you up the hill to the restrooms. I can tell you right now, there's a lot of stuff on the other side of the
You clapping?
I'm gonna jump across there.
rock formation. You get a really nice.
There's pretty cool rock forms right here.
It's that same rock.
This is it, where the thing was jumping off?
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like
Yeah, I don't think it is.
the same thing.
Nice little beach down there, though.
Right here.
No. We're in trouble.
Sounds like a $200 fine.
Pay that
We're
off.
still far behind.
Bro, I can pay that off.
That's
Bro,
alright.
you
They
would have
won't move us.
$100 left. That's at least $100 is good.
That's not, that's
Then you
not,
have
Right there.
$100 left.
yeah, then you have $100 less.
Yeah,
That's
that's
not,
good.
that's not, or you could just have 200 and not pay a fine.
Then you have to pay the license. But if you don't, you get $10 from me at the end of the year. Okay?
Huh.
Deal?
Checking out this outdoor pool down here. It's pretty sick. Could do a wave pool. Margarita. Damn, I should have brought my card. Let's take the steps.
It's only like 2 feet.
Oh, you can't get into that right there.
No, the actual water thing. It's like 2 feet.
Let's go check it out.
There's like a paintbrush.
Let's go. Is there?
And how there was like kids over there after 7 or
I
something.
know.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's really warm.
That feels good.
You get all the way in there. Though at the end, it's honestly warm.
It's pretty sick.
Goes to 3.5 feet. There's the waterfall. The waves aren't going right now, but it's
Punch it out, boy. But splash. This is exactly why kids aren't allowed in here after 7. Nice little Hawaiian hammer. Let's go, baby. Oh, what's that? It's a bird. It's a bird. It'd be nice if it stayed open later. You got the lights lit up down here, but it closes in like 5 minutes. Man, my camera's shattered. Hopefully it even turns out. What do you think, baby? What do you think? Pretty cool place? Huh? You think it's a pretty cool place? Look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She did pretty good. She actually walked all the way out there by herself and just kind of floated and kept her head up. Normally she freaks out when she starts floating and like tips forward, but no, she's actually pretty good. This is a cool spot though. They got a bar over there. Covered by pine trees, just chilling. This thing actually turns into a wave pool. I think we're gonna go eat at the place actually on like the area, the resort. It's called Kaminsky's or something like that. It's like a steakhouse. Last night that spot was really good. That Caribbean, that Bobber's Island Grill. Bobber's Island Grill is really good. But today was pretty cool too. Relaxed, took a little boat journey down the river, which the river is actually right back here. We went past this place on the route. I'd like to explore more up in them trails, but it's kind of hard when you got a baby and then you gotta got a pregnant woman, you know, she's gonna gotta take it easy. Especially with the whole water park day, so I don't want to chase them around a water park anymore than I have to. I think on Wednesday we're gonna do like the indoor one at this place. It's supposed to be rainy. Do that before we head out. Should be pretty cool. Make it worth it. And she's just been taking naps anytime she can.
Hey, you guys are really good. No, you grab it and throw it.
So
That's it. Amar, what? Amar, they can flash.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi. He waves at it. But no, this is pretty cool. I enjoy
So
this place. I'm surrounded by pine trees. Pretty sick. Just finishing up the night here. Kilbourne Restaurant. This little baby's zoned out on Miss Rachel still. Eat some fries, some pizza. Have the Kilbourne burger, sort of Tessie, side salad. And the fish and chips. Came in a huge pizza. Rock cheering over at the burger. Pretty good spot.